You guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're gonna be finally getting the windows tinted on the Camaro. It's long overdue. This shit is so bad. We're gonna be following my homie who has the Mustang, and then we're gonna do some canyon runs, or we're gonna go try to do some canyon runs. I have the GoPro head mount, and we're gonna do some POV and see how it comes out. I've never done it, so hopefully it comes out good. We're gonna head over right now. Oh, he's gonna fly off the curb. Ooh. I love how that Mustang looks. I think it's nice. Let me know, should we race? Should we race in this video? Maybe we'll race in this video if we get to. I don't know. We gotta take it last time together, so I don't know if I want to get another one. Get in too deep to this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot. And I see that you guys are liking these videos. Hopefully you guys like the new style I'm gonna give it a try to today. It's gonna be a little bit different, but hopefully you guys like it. It's different for me. Make sure to go to the infamous website and copy yourself a sticker. Yeah, that helps with the channel a lot. It helps with the build, so go copy yourself a sticker. So mean. Let's get a downshift under this bridge. And he killed mine. Nah. Oof. Hey, you killed mine because I couldn't hear mine, bastard. You killed my pool because I couldn't hear my pool. I could only hear yours. Yeah, it sounds nice. It's really crazy to me how loud these cars are for being stock. Like GM, Ford, y'all doing good with making these cars loud stock. I'm pretty sure you could probably get a ticket for the stock exhaust. Like it wouldn't, obviously it wouldn't count, but like I'm pretty sure a cop would pull you over for the stock exhaust in these cars because they're pretty loud. Like especially the downshifts. Downshifts are ridiculously loud. But we're almost about to be there, and we'll finally have these windows tinted because riding fishbowl is not the wave. There's cops everywhere. We just saw one, and then there's another one that pulled someone over there. Jeez, so many cops. Hit up my boys at Diego's window tint. They have really good prices, best in the IE. Here's their number. I'm gonna link down their information down below. Then you get the Camaro looking right finally. The Camaro looks so much better with tint. Y'all can not tell me it doesn't. I don't know why, but something about it just looks a lot darker now. I don't know, it's weird. We're gonna wash the cars real quick so you can go take some cinematics, cause as y'all can see, it is pretty bad. We're gonna go take some cinematics, do some point of view driving, and then you guys can see this one's pretty bad too. Not as bad as mine, but pretty bad. We're gonna wash them real quick, and then we're gonna head over to the spot to take some cinematics, do some point of views. We're gonna do a rev battle. I wanna see which one's louder stock, and then do some drive-bys. Follow my story. You guys have seen this car a lot. I don't think I've ever posted it. His dad has a ZL1 1LE. Tell me this thing isn't so, this thing is beautiful. It has a full custom exhaust from the headers back. No headers, but it has a full custom exhaust. He also has this cam, I forgot, valve spring, heads, and long tube headers and all that. 5.0 to match the new 5.0. How much baller can I get? Really come with radials, like basically slicks from factory. Jeez, I'm gonna do a cold start on this thing. But let me know, you guys. Let me know. Do you guys like this lip? Thinking about going with this lip for the Camaro. It has like these up pieces. Obviously, I can't do the rest. And then these side skirts. Should I do it? I don't know. And then let me know. Do you guys want to see this wing on the Camaro? Like, I could just real quick, just take it real quick, and then just throw it on the Camaro. That'd be sick. Where's the brake in the third? And then should I get this hood? Basically what I want to go for, shut up. Basically what I want to go for is like making a 2019 ZL1 look. So like the ZL1 lip with the side skirts and then the big wing and then the hood. Let me know, would that look sick? The car's all washed up.
Aw, poor Infinity.
Poor Infinity. Our daily's getting no love. Just kidding. Got the Camaro all washed up. We're about to go do some cinematics and some point of view driving. And I gotta head home because mucho tráfico. Just look at her. Damn. These bad boys. Now I think we're pulling up to the spot where all the streets start to get windy, so let's get this started. You guys can hear the crackle and pops. We're gonna go do the exhaust pretty soon again, or go get the secondary cats deleted. Bringing his dad's 1LE would probably be like really crazy over here. Hopefully we can find a cool spot to pull off and take pictures. If I'm not getting on it too much, it's because I don't do this kind of driving. As you guys know, I have a truck, so it's not like the most performance thing. So for me, this is kind of new and sketchy, but we're trying out here. It's kind of cool. Ooh, this looks scary. Oh, this is a cool spot that they go to. She's gonna call me and tell me this for finding nickels. What happened?
Bro,
What?
we're deep as fuck into this goddamn mountain.
I know we are. Bro, this is where Finding Nick takes his pictures.
Right here, huh?
Yeah.
Pass me up.
Wait, no, that's sketchy. I can't see.
Alright, hold up. Go.
There's no cars coming?
No.
watch out. There's a patch of dirt right here.
Where?
Right here. Or no, never mind. I think it was just different colored concrete.
Oh, hell no. Did you record already?
Huh?
Did you record?
I'm recording right now. Ooh, watch out for that tree. This is scary because I don't know where I'm going. It'd be nicer if I had gas so I wouldn't have to worry about this. Oof, that was sketchy. Alright, I kind of know the road now, so maybe we could give it a little bit more gas. Oof. Y'all see that squirrel? What the heck? Oh my god, those squirrels almost died. Oof, this road is not good. This road is not good at all. I'm gonna have so much bug splats on the freaking windshield and front bumper. Oof. god, these squirrels are freaking suicidal. Oof! Wow, what do you got on that? Real quick, we're gonna do mine. Let me know which one you guys think is louder. We're heading back home, and as you guys can see, I'm stuck in traffic. There's always traffic right here on Fridays, but I did this to myself today. If you guys enjoyed the video, let me know what you guys think of the point of view driving, and if you guys want to see a race between me and my homie's Mustang GT. Like I said, thanks for watching. If you guys want to help support the channel, make sure to go to the Infamous Co website and copy yourself a sticker, and also like and subscribe. Smash that like button, that helps the video get out there to other channel, like suggested other channel things. I don't know what it's called, but it helps grow the channel. So make sure to hit that like button. But I'm gonna get back to this traffic. I'm gonna get home. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.